You know, I didn't lost my hair. I lost a part of my life. Our self-confidence, our boldness, everything faded. For years I thought this is it. This is how I look. Rest of my life. Started with small hair fall. I very much ignored it. Chivariki friends calling me sir, uncle at the age of 25. I looked like 45. ఏ ఫోటోలో అయినా నాకు నేను చాలా ఏజ్డ్ పర్సన్ లాగా కనిపించేవాడిని. ఆర్కే హెయిర్ స్టూడియో హ్యాపెండ్. నిజం చెప్పాలంటే ఫస్ట్ టైం ఐ స్టెప్డ్ ఇన్ హియర్. ఐ వాజంట్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ మచ్, బట్ దీస్ పీపుల్ దే డిడెంట్ జస్ట్ షో హెయిర్, దే షోడ్ మీ హోప్. No surgery, no drama. Just one smart lock based hair system, and best part is it's natural look, it's breathable, and it's me. When I see myself after so long time, I was laughed. Not only because of the hair, but because I finally recognized that guy. RK Hair Studio didn't just change how I look, they changed how I feel. If you've been watching this video, and if you're hiding behind this cap, avoiding mirrors and skipping selfies, bro, I have been there. Give yourself one chance. Come to RK Hair Studios and trust me, you will get your hair back, and more importantly, you will get you back. If you like this video, give like and share and subscribe to RK Hair Studios.